Oh, that hurt. That somehow.
Just
My foot's done. Ah! Go.
be careful on that tree, dude.
No, I don't have to.
Yes, you do.
Woo! 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 Get it. Let's see.
We're not done yet.
Okay. Blah, 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 blah. Andy! He's right there filming. Leave him alone until they're done there. He doesn't get the huge bloody rock. See, guys, what that happened?
Let's see. Oh, that's a big, huge scratch, huh?